everybody, happy Sunday!
Sunday is indeed, guys. Hope you guys had a fantastic weekend. Thank you very much for checking out today's video.
Yes.
What are we doing today?
We are checking out what you guys have sent to us via our PO box.
Yes, we've actually got a couple of things that we've got kind of around the Christmas time and sort of around January time. So thank you to everybody who sent us items, and just so you know, on the back here is our PO box address. So if you want to send us a letter or a card, go for it. Send us whatever you like.
We do need to do 3 shout outs though, because we did receive 2 packages that were lost in the mail. If you followed our Vlogmas, you'll understand the problems that PO boxes tend to have. So yeah, we managed to track down 2 of the packages. So we just want to say a massive thank you to the Kennedys.
So we got Santa is Coming Christmas card,
yes,
which is awesome. Thank you very much. And it said, to Steph and Dave, Merry Christmas to the both of you. Hope you have a lovely Christmas. Lots of love from the Kennedys, Christy, Sarah and Alex.
Thank you so much. They sent us, because obviously these 2 boxes that we're talking about, we did open them because the senders wanted us to open them as quick, you know, as soon as possible, really. So thank you so much. Thank you for the glass tumblers. Thank you for the salt and pepper shakers. Thank you for the chocolate.
Yes,
we ate them. Did you? Thank you for all the Zum-Zums!
Look at these Zum-Zums, they're amazing.
They gave us like a ton of stuff.
It was awesome. I
love you guys, thank you so much. The next one that we have to say is a massive thank you to Jennifer.
Yeah.
She sent us a massive box full of goodies.
We got the Santa cards.
Yeah.
All different types of Santas on it. Thank you very much. Got like Trailer Trash Santa, the Mob Squad Santa. It's awesome. And then inside there says thank you for all you two do. It's truly appreciated. Your vlogs bring lots of joy to my life. Enjoy the goodies, you two deserve it. Also, apparently, one of the items on here that we got, this pancake mix is the kind that Disney used. Thought Steffi might like it, and it's pumpkin flavoured. Yes,
I saw this. And we were like, we're not going to open it yet because it's Pancake Tuesday on Tuesday.
Yes.
So it's going to get very happy. But yeah, she sent us a box of amazing stuff to a ton of face packs, which I'm very happy about.
So many.
Thank you for the coffee. Thank you for the pancakes. Another thing. You didn't need to do this, but honest to God, you wanted to see my face when I opened it. I cried a little bit. I was just like, I cannot believe I've got one in my hands.
Well, first of all, I opened it because I was like, oh, I wonder what this is. And then I literally looked at it and went, and I tried to hide behind it and go, oh my God. And you was like, what? And I just was like, you got a...
I got a Dooney bag.
Dooney bag.
Oh my goodness. Like, Jennifer, you didn't need to buy me this, but...
It's amazing.
You didn't need to do this, but honest to God, thank you so much. And... yeah, I just don't know what to say. But that's not only the other thing that she got us. We don't know if we can actually show all of it. Can you see that?
It says The Lion King. This was like a D23 exclusive poster that you could buy, and yeah.
I'm speechless. Oh my gosh, it's dead. It's 107 out of 400.
So this is actually like...
this is the real deal.
This is the real deal, man.
I'm so
Jennifer,
blown away.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Like, thank you very much. We're very grateful. Like, wow. Like, we're gonna have to get a massive frame for this.
We have to look after this with our life.
With our life. Thank you so much.
So once again, a huge thank you.
Yes, thank you to everyone.
To both Kennedys and Jennifer. Like, you guys spoilt us. Like, thank you so much. There is another shout out that we want to shout out to. So in the comment section below, can you congratulate Annie and Martin, who got married in January.
They did.
They actually sent us a wedding invite, and it didn't actually get to us until the first week of January. And we were like, no, gutted, you know, we weren't able to send back the invite.
Yes.
So we just want to say a huge congratulations. I hope you had a fabulous time.
Yes.
They had like a Harry Potter themed wedding, which is impressive.
Awesome.
If you guys were watching this, congratulations. And if you've got any photos, we'd love to see them.
Yeah, send to us via social medias, or even just message us on YouTube, and we'd love to see it.
So everyone in the comment section below, congratulate them.
Congratulate them hard.
Yeah.
Still got more things to open.
Yes.
So do you want to start with cards?
Let's start with the cards first, because I think there are a few like Christmas cards as well that turned up quite late. But it's all good, because if they are Christmas cards, it means we save them for next year. For this year.
Yeah. for this year.
Oh.
I'm going to open this one first. This is from, on the back, it's from Indianapolis.
Oh.
This has come a long, long way.
Oh, I love that.
And we got Bambi and Thumper on the card. Probably sure you can't see that, but yeah, we got a Christmas card. So it says, thank you for a great channel. Found you through Jen and Tim. Love the Vlogmas vlogs. You guys are truly awesome. I am a Disney lover too. So thank you for all you do to bring a little joy to us who can't make it to, make it to the parks as often. Merry Christmas. Love from Monica of Indiana.
Thank you so much, Monica.
Thank you, Monica. That is awesome.
There's another Christmas card.
Yes.
It says, Dave and Steffi wishing you a delightful Christmas season and a glorious new year. Bright blessings, Doug and Stacey. Thank you so much, Doug and Stacey.
Yes.
Lovely. And they are from New York.
Yeah, New York.
Wow. We really need to go back to New York,
We
don't
do.
we?
We do.
We really do.
We do
But
need
thank
to.
you so much once again. With all these Christmas cards, we will save them and put them up for this year.
So on the back here it says, sorry for the lateness, but put it amongst the decks for Vlogmas 2018. Very nice.
That's
very
a
simple.
really nice one.
Very simple as well.
I like that.
Love the simplicity. It says, with warm wishes at Christmas from Zoe and Ian Rabbit. Yes, there are human
Bunnies
bunnies
in the world. I love it.
That's a good one. Awesome.
That's
Thank you
so
very
cool.
much.
Thank you so
cards.
much. We've got two very big, unusual packages.
Yeah.
We've been literally like itching to open this, and we're like, no, we'll wait until we open it up first. Oh.
Yeah. Some very strange packaging, but yeah, let's have a look. Oh.
Oh, it's a doormat.
It's a doormat. Krispy-Smore.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Oh my god, how awesome is that? I love this.
That is amazing.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
We've got a card as well. So Steph and Dave. A dream is a wish your heart makes. The Cinderella quote. Thank you very much. Hi Krispy-Smore and the bunnies. I hope you are well. I love your channel and have been watching you guys for years now. When I have Disney Blues, I watch your travel day vlogs and it cheers me right up.
You know, I love watching travel days.
They are
like
hot.
everyone's travel days, I love them.
They are good.
Just love the enthusiasm.
Steph, your drive and positivity towards your health kick journey is amazing and I love your fitness updates.
Thank you.
I have just started my weight loss journey after having my daughter. She's 18 months old now, but who's counting?
Oh, congratulations.
Anyway, enough rambling. I've just started my Etsy shop, Tangle Designs Co. And I wanted to send you a couple of my designs inspired doormats. One I have designed especially for you guys and one I just love, though wanted you to have one.
Oh,
sorry if I've rambled on and some of it does make sense. Love, Charlotte. Thank you
didn't
so
ramble.
much, Charlotte.
Love a good ramble. Thank you so much. This is fantastic.
Awesome.
The company is Tangle Designs.
That Tangle Design Co. What we'll do is we'll leave a link in the description for you guys to check out. So check out there. And
How amazing!
that's so cool. But apparently we have another one.
I've never seen a doormat, like a personalised Disney doormat before.
I've never seen that. Got another one.
Yeah.
Let's open this one. Ah!
Oh!
It says home with a Mickey head.
Oh my
That's quite
gosh!
cute.
I love that.
That's amazing.
That is brilliant.
That is really cool.
I love it so much.
Thank you so much for this.
Thank you, Charlotte. Like, this is amazing.
This is awesome.
I think that's everything, isn't it?
Yeah, we haven't received anything else through the PO box. So thank you to everybody who sent us anything. And if you do want to send us stuff, like we said, it'll either be in the description or up here on the board. You can send us anything like from letters to cards, so you let us know where you're from, who watches our vlogs. That'll be awesome to get in touch with you guys.
And once again, thank you so much to everybody who has sent things in, sent cards and sent postcards, everything. You don't need to send us like anything, any packages, but to actually see these things, it's lovely. It's like really humbling. Thank you so much. We have the best community ever.
Always do. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. We really do appreciate all the support. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed.
Yeah.
Right, we've just
crazy.
hit 16,500 subscribers, which is amazing.
Yeah, nearly on 17.
Make sure also, I forgot to mention, to hit the notification bell for our future videos.
Yeah.
Because we've got our next Florida vlog on Tuesday.
Yeah.
So make sure you check that out, and also check out the playlist of our previous vlogs we've done in years ago.
Yes.
So we shall see you guys in the next video.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Have a lovely week.
Bye.